This is a 6-degree algebraic equation x to power 6 minus x to power 3 equals to 2. After looking at it, it seems like a complex and difficult problem. However, it can be easily solved by using basic algebraic formulas. After simplifying it to a basic quadratic equation, let's see how to do it. First, to simplify this equation, we are going to use exponential rule, that is a to power m bracket power n equals to a to power m multiply n. Here, this equation can be written as x to power 3 to power 2 minus x to power 3 equals to 2. Let's assume x to power 3 equals to y. This equation simplifies to y to power 2 minus y equals to 2. Transfer 2 to this side, this equation becomes y to power 2 minus y minus 2 equals to 0. This equation can be written as y to power 2 plus y minus 2y minus 2 equals to 0. Take y as common. Y is y square is y plus y to y is 1 minus, take 2 as common, it becomes y plus minus 2 minus 2 1 equals to 0. Again take y plus 1 as common. From here it comes y, from here it comes minus 2 equals to 0. Now this equation y plus 1 and y minus 2 equals to 0 can be equated as y plus 1 equals to 0 and y minus 2 equals to 0. From here y equals to minus 1 and from here y comes 2. Then x to power 3 equals to 2. So x equals to 2 to power 1 by 3. So this is one of the solution. Now solve y equals to minus 1 and x to power 3 equals to y. As we assume x to power 3 equals to y and y equals to minus 1 is one of the solution, then x to power 3 equals to minus 1, that is further equals to x to power 3 plus 1 equals to 0. This can be written as x to power 3 plus 1 to power 3 equals to 0. From here it is in the form of aq plus bq. As we know that aq plus bq is equals to a plus b bracket a square minus ab plus b square. Here a equals x and b is 1. So this equation further simplifies to x plus 1 multiply bracket x square minus x plus 1 equals to 0. Equate both of the equation equals to 0. From here it comes x plus 1 equals to 0 and x square minus x plus 1 equals to 0. From here x equals to minus 1. So this is the second answer for x. And here we got a quadratic equation, so we can simplify it, as this is in the form of a square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Find delta. So delta equals to b square minus 4ac, which is equals to, as a equals to 1, b equals to minus 1 and c equals to 1. So delta comes 1 square minus 4 multiply a is 1 and c is also 1. So this comes minus 1 square is 1 minus 4 equals to minus 3. So the value of x comes x is equals to minus b plus minus square root delta upon 2 a is 1 equals to minus b. B is minus 1 minus plus, then 1 plus minus square root minus 3 divided by 2, which is equals to 1 plus minus square root minus 3 divided by 2. So we got 4 values for x. X is equals to 2 to power 1 upon 3 and x equals to minus 1 and 2 complex values.